Good morning and welcome back to day 8, I want to say, of the video. This is July the 4th, so happy Independence Day or whatever day you're watching this. Happy that day as well. Obviously this is the first time I've ever experienced July 4th in America. Don't celebrate it in the UK for, pretty obvious reasons. But I'm very much looking forward to tonight. We're going to try and get into Magic Kingdom to watch the sort of special fireworks display this evening, but we have got the morning booked for EPCOT. Now I'm going to try and get something a little bit healthy, but you know what? I started for breakfast. Happy birthday, America. Love this country.
After that incredibly healthy breakfast, we were back at EPCOT, trying out some more food at the Flower and Garden Festival on its last day. I got the Fruit Loop shake from Epcot's Sunshine Griddle. It's cold and refreshing. Never had Fruit Loops before, and they are very, very sweet. And it had a bit of a disturbing blue colour. For lunch, I grabbed the lavender honey mustard marinated chicken flatbread from the Honey Bistro. Not my favourite thing I had at Epcot, but I'm not a big fan of goat's cheese and ricotta, so it is partly on me. The chicken, the honey mustard, and the flatbread, though, were all really nice. If the honey mustard was a tad too strong, I think. I made up for this by grabbing some frushi from Hanami. Really enjoyed this. I'd only heard sort of good things about frushi, and honestly, wasn't disappointed. We headed over to Magic Kingdom using our park hopper. Got to do some pin trading, rode a couple of rides, and then watch the July 4th fireworks in the evening, which you will be seeing on screen now, I reckon. The show they put on at Magic Kingdom was something truly spectacular.